I'm Brittany with WTI. I love camping, but I also love being organized. And this made all the difference. This camping organizer by CAMPYRE is awesome. I love that it comes with its own carry case. It's a very simple setup. It's pretty much just like a mini tent. You put the tent poles in the eyelet, and that's what stands it up. It comes with its own tent pin. This was just so awesome to keep my clothes and my husband's clothes organized and separate. You can even put anything else that you need or want easy access to. It zips up so easily. And the best part is that it's waterproof, so it's going to keep everything clean and dry. I just loved the option that you can keep the flap open if you are putting clothes away or getting what you need to get dressed. You don't have to keep on holding the flap open. It's perfect for things that you just need to get quick access to or to put away quickly. It was so easy for my husband and I to just easily grab what we needed to get the day started. And it was very easy to clean up. You just swept it out, took the poles out, it falls down. You then just do a tri-fold and it is then ready to go. You can see the bottom is a tarp material, so it's going to keep your stuff protected. The poles even fit in the bag. It was just so easy and made all the difference. This was such a wonderful addition to our camping gear and made it so easy to stay clean and organized and have easy access to our clothes. And that's my point of view.